worse than my puppy.
Trying to get away. Wouldn't obey commands.
That's the film we'll use.
Yeah, absolutely. We like a bit of comedy.
That's the film we'll use. Oh God, please don't. It's all bunched up. That's an outdoor sort of performance.
Yeah.
When that's the tail boom came off.
Not bad. It flew.
I think it's amazing because helicopters are so unstable.
I know.
You can make a rubber-driven free flight one.
Oh, it's
and
pretty cool.
It flies.
Yeah. Did you conceive this design, or is it?
No, it's a kit.
It's a kit. Okay.
I probably built this 20 years ago.
Are you counting the number of turns you put?
Well, sort of. I'm more looking at what it looks like.
Oh, okay. It lands at my feet. Well done. Well, I've seen it all now.
It takes quite a lot of trimming to get it to fly.
I bet. Yeah. Little tweaks here and there.
You've got to balance the tail rotor force
Okay.
by trimming it. If it's too much, you trim it down. But then if you take it too far,
It's lost its.
you
Lost
can't,
the power.
you can't add it.
No, of course.
It needs a different motor though to get any more duration.
Different rubber band.
Longer.
Longer.
Yeah. Store more energy.
Yeah.
But if you have it too long, you don't get the torque.
Okay, it's a balance then.
Yeah. What you can do is have it too long and then pre-wind it, put about 100 turns on, fold it in half, and it kind of rolls itself up into a skein. So you've got the rubber you need,
Yeah.
but it's now shorter,
Right.
so you get the torque
Okay.
and the duration.
Right.
It's a skill which I don't have. My little models, I put 700-800 turns on, up to 1,000.
Not by hand. Don't
Oh,
you
no,
have?
no, I've got a
You have
winder.
something a winder,
Well,
electric
I can
winder.
only get about 100 on this, so
Just do it by hand.
Up to about 120 now.
Oh, we're going big time, big
Well,
power.
put one too many on and,
And
the
snap.
Goes bang.
Oh, we're getting some real height this time. And a perfect landing. Third time lucky. Thanks for that. Nearly. I would have been very, yeah. I would have had to have rerun that in slow-mo.
It's got 700 turns.
Oh, good God.
Last time it nearly hit the ceiling.
I'm getting dizzy following it. Oh my God. Yeah, if I stand to one side rather than in the middle, that would be more intelligent, wouldn't it?
It's better to control the height a bit better this time.
Well done. That was a long flight. So you do just free flight, or you do other RC stuff?
Yeah, I've got two micro Aces models here.
Oh, okay.
That I've built since Christmas.
Yeah, they're great kits, aren't they?
Oh, well, it's the first time I've built them. So
Yeah, I built one quite a while back. Yeah, really enjoyed it.
I'm used to ball sorted, so it was quite a steep learning curve.
Oh, okay, yeah,
I built
yeah.
the Albatross D5 because it's bigger and
Yeah.
that's got tiny pieces but easier.
Yeah.
And then I built the DH2, which I flew here, maiden flight just earlier today.
Okay. Successful?
Yeah.
All right.
This is from a kit, mid-air models kit,
Okay.
propeller made from Coke can.
Oh my. Look at that.
That's quite common.
Is it? What, so they're more durable?
Well, no, you cut them from any bottle, and you cut it at an angle, so you get a slight twist on the propeller.
Okay.
If
Right.
you look down the propeller, you can see the
Yeah, the twist.
little
You don't have to do that yourself. You
No,
do
no,
it
no,
based on the way you cut it out of the can. Yeah.
You've got a little template which you put on at the right angle, draw around it, cut it out.
Isn't that clever? And you say it's a kit. A kit
Yes.
from where? Where would somebody?
Mid-air models.
Mid-air models. Okay. Brilliant.
The surfaces come drawn. You just cut it out with scissors, put it together with PVA,
Yeah.
and they just fly.
Wow. It's the simplest form of flight,
I've
really.
got a range of kits, and if you build them as they say, they all fly. Not like the Gilcraft models when I was a kid. You build them up, all these Spitfires and Hurricanes and things. It never flew.
And they still sell, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah. People are still trying. Thanks again.
This is another mid-air kit, but it's discontinued. Can't
Oh,
get this now.
shame. That flies well. Oh, we're getting some real height this time. And a perfect landing. Third time lucky. Thanks for that.